Welcome to Arts and Crafty Central's second year of 12 Days of Craftsmas. I will be releasing 12 different craft videos leading up to Christmas. These crafts are either perfect for holiday gifts or make great holiday decorations. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these 12 wintertime crafts. In order to make the basic yarn pom-pom, we have to start by making a stencil. First, trace a circle with a container onto some cardboard. Then inside that circle, draw another smaller one. Repeat that twice. Next, cut out the circles with either an X-Acto knife or scissors. Cut the circle in the middle too. Cut out a little piece of the shape so that you now have sort of a C shape. Cut a piece of yarn to fit between the two cardboard pieces with some excess. Next, wrap yarn around the cardboard. Once you've wrapped a good amount, cut it off and then tie the yarn that is in between the cardboard in a single knot. Now cut along the edge of the cardboard so that you're cutting the wrapped yarn in half. You can then remove your pom-pom from the cardboard. After that, trim off the excess yarn until the pom-pom is even and compact. To begin the reindeer pom-pom, I used this thick felt and cut antlers out of it with a Cricut machine. I decided I'd cut the whole sheet so I could make multiple. Next, I glued two antlers together and then glued them onto the brown pom-pom. On some red felt, I traced a circle and cut it out. I then glued it onto the pom-pom as a big nose. To begin the snowman, I made a white pom-pom with the same method as before. Then I cut a strip of fabric to be a scarf. And I glued on two button eyes and an orange bead for a carrot nose. After that, I glued on the scarf. To make the snowman's hat, I traced and cut out a circle on some black cardstock paper. I also cut a slightly smaller one. Then I cut out a rectangle that would wrap around the smaller circle and I glued it into place. Finally, I glued the cylinder to the larger circle and I had a top hat. For a little extra something, I added a candy cane charm. I glued the hat onto the pom-pom and the snowman was complete. For the gnome pom-pom, you can use any yarn color that could be a beard. To make the hat, I cut a curved triangle shape out of felt. I made sure the hat fit on the pom-pom and glued the triangle into a cocoon. Then I hot glued on a wooden bead for the nose. After that, I glued on the hat with some of it covering the top of the nose. I decided to decorate the hat some more by adding a ribbon around the edge. And I added a little Christmas tree charm. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next day of Craftsmas.